The 2023 Citroen C5 Aircross SUV Hybrid is a highly anticipated addition to the hybrid market, offering an exceptional blend of performance, comfort, and eco-friendliness. It is the latest model in Citroen's lineup, combining innovative technology with contemporary design, and aims to compete with other well-established hybrid SUVs in the market. The exterior of the new Aircross is sleek and modern, with signature Citroen design elements such as the distinctive double-chevron grille and unique LED daytime running lights. This new model also features aerodynamic styling, enhancing both fuel efficiency and driving dynamics. The SUV has a muscular stance, giving it an imposing presence on the road. Under the hood, the C5 Aircross Hybrid is powered by a 1.6-liter PureTech petrol engine, combined with an 80-kilowatt electric motor, delivering a combined output of 225 horsepower. This powertrain is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and efficient driving experience. The hybrid system allows for seamless transitions between petrol and electric modes, ensuring optimum performance and economy. The battery of the C5 Aircross Hybrid has a capacity of 13.2 kilowatt-hour, enabling an electric-only range of up to 34 miles. This is ideal for short daily commutes and urban driving, where the electric motor can be utilized most efficiently. Charging the battery is convenient and fast, with a full charge achievable in approximately 1 hour and 45 minutes using a 32 amps home wallbox charger. One of the main attractions of the C5 Aircross Hybrid is its advanced suspension system, the progressive hydraulic cushions. This innovative technology ensures an exceptionally smooth and comfortable ride, absorbing road imperfections and providing passengers with a feeling of floating on a magic carpet. The suspension system is unique to Citroen and sets the C5 Aircross apart from its competitors. The interior of the Aircross Hybrid is spacious and versatile, with ample room for 5 passengers and their luggage. The cabin features high-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and a well-designed layout, providing a sense of luxury and comfort. The advanced comfort seats further enhance the feeling of well-being, offering superior support and cushioning. In terms of infotainment, the C5 Aircross Hybrid comes equipped with the latest Citroen Connect system, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an 8-inch touchscreen display. The system is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Other features include satellite navigation, DAB radio, and voice recognition for hands-free control. With an emphasis on sustainability, the C5 Aircross Hybrid features an eco mode, optimizing energy consumption by adjusting the operation of the heating and air conditioning systems. The SUV also includes a regenerative braking system, which captures and stores energy during deceleration, further improving overall efficiency. The C5 Aircross SUV Hybrid is a highly competitive offering in the hybrid market, providing a unique blend of performance, comfort, and eco-consciousness. With its distinctive design, cutting-edge technology, and advanced safety features, the new C5 Aircross is poised to make a significant impact in the hybrid SUV segment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.